Bore da, and welcome to day 11, day
12.
Day 12 of Bedtime Welsh. And yeah, a couple of quick catch-ups with people. Alice, don't worry at all about getting dwi isio and oni isio mixed up. That's absolutely normal. It'll sort itself out later on. Don't worry about it. What else have we got going on? Luke and Eric. Luke's caught up, yeah. And Eric did the monster sentence, so that's awesome. And then Jack is just full of enthusiasm, and we love that. Thank you. Oh yeah, and there's somebody new in the group, isn't there? Caris Angharad. So Angharad really likes people sharing her name, which is very kind of you. Nice. Yeah, I don't like sharing my name with anybody. Okay, so cracking on with today. The first thing we're going to do is I wanted to say. I wanted to say.
Oni isio deud.
Oni isio deud. Oni isio deud. Da iawn. Next thing, what I wanted to say.
Beth oni isio deud.
Beth oni isio deud. Third thing for today, these are all getting complicated enough for me not to be able to remember them. I can't remember. So we're going back a little bit here. I can't remember.
Fedrai ddim cofio.
Fedrai ddim cofio. If you remember that straight away, fantastic. You're doing really well. Fedrai ddim cofio. And then, but I can't remember.
Ond fedrai ddim cofio.
Ond fedrai ddim cofio. And then just to finish with another nice big long one. But I can't remember what I wanted to say.
Ond fedrai ddim cofio beth oni isio dweud.
Da iawn. Ond fedrai ddim cofio beth oni isio deud. And if you got anywhere near getting that one, you're doing superbly well. So hang on in there, keep on going, and don't worry about the mix-ups. It'll all come good. Hwyl am y tro.
Ta!